there's the new family member. I think it might be a girl. She's really pretty. CB500F. It's very nice. So we took delivery today of the new bikes. I'm very excited. I want to introduce you to my new baby. I think she's a girl, but I don't have a name yet, so we're gonna have to work on that. But I'm pretty sure she's a girl. She just feels it. Whereas Bagheera is definitely a boy. Anyways, let's have a look at her. She is so sexy. Whew. Yeah. I'm enjoying the finish on the engine. I love that, how Honda gives this that lovely finish, and it does that up here as well. Nice pipes. The silencer, not my favorite, but you know, until it breaks, or I really want to buy a new one, I will. Yes, look at that, lovely. Look at her front end. Doesn't she just have oh, she looks good. I wasn't sure if I'd like it, but I really do. Wow, she's pretty. She came a little dirty because they were on a trailer and they went on the highway, so she got a little dirty before she got here. So we're just gonna try and get her all polished up. Oh, she sounds so good. Doesn't she look nice? Look at that, the chain, that's about as clean as you're ever gonna see it. Gotta like that. Yeah, what do we got on here? We got some Michelins. That is a lot more rubber than I've dealt with in a while. Here we have that lovely finish again. Check this baby out, eh? Like, whoo. But yeah, so here she is. I'm gonna have to work on a name. But I really like her. I'm really happy. I think we made a good decision. And so, the highway's busy, sorry about that. So the idea is to get Bagheera a little bit more dirt oriented. She's all dirty. And then we're gonna have my little girl here for the street. This dash is really cool. It still has I think it's got like a peel and stick thing maybe on it. I just have to get that all tidied up. But let's turn her over and have a listen, shall we? Okay. Lovely key. Oh, the clutch is so sensitive. Look at that. Hello, darling. Okay, ready? Listen to this. I mean, really? She's like, "Arr." All right. Well, I think we should take some more photos and then get her into her resting spot for the evening before the rain starts. So, day one with our new girl. Very excited. So it has been a little over a month now since taking delivery of my new motorcycle, and she now has a name, Charlotte, named after one of my favorite books as a kid, Charlotte's Web. I'm so very happy with her, and looking forward to the warm summer days. We are still getting to know each other, and having a lot of fun doing so. Now Bagheera, my Himalayan, is going to be more of a backroads, gravel travel kind of guy. Whereas Charlotte, she is my new tarmac toy. Thanks for watching, and safe travels, everyone.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?